Hello and welcome to this presentation. Today we will compare plant and animal cells. So plants and animals are eukaryotic organisms. They therefore contain eukaryotic cells. Their cells have membranes, bound organelles, and their nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. While plant and animals are eukaryotes, they elicit a variation in structure and function. Their cells are expected to exemplify variations while maintaining some similarities. This presentation will hence compare the plant and animal cells. So this is actually just a brainstorming slide. At this point, there is no right answer, and you don't have to be correct. Just make an observation on the presentations. Can they identify the plant cell, the animal cell? Why do you think so? Can they state the visible structural difference? Appreciate the figures and state what you can tell from the structures. From their general knowledge, which organelles can they identify? Which organelles appear to be in both cells? And which ones are found in plant cells? Moving on to the next slide. So this is just the components found in both plant and animal cells. Can you identify the missing organelles from each one of them? And on this slide, it's just the components that are unique to each cell. From plant cells to animal cells, the plant cells have cell walls and chloroplast, and then the animal cells have centrosome and the lysosome. So cell walls give the noticeable difference in shape between plants and animals. Plant cells have a definite shape because of their cell wall. Cellulose is a carbohydrate that has a complex structure which makes it strong, and a cell wall use is to endure the mechanical stress on their structure. Cell walls are fully permeable. So on this one, plants make their own food through photosynthesis. This organelle is hence an important structure that enables photosynthesis to occur. This organelle is responsible for chlorophyll formation, which is the green pigment in plants. And fun fact, more chlorophyll in a leaf makes it a darker shade of green. So vacuoles are fluid-filled organelles surrounded by a membrane called tonoplast. Their functions are unique to a plant cell, and they include maintaining a cell turgidity by maintaining cell water balance. They are also responsible for the storage of water and nutrients in the plant cells. So lysosomes are sphere-shaped organelles. They are filled with hydrolytic enzymes. They break down cellular debris and wastes. They also destroy bacteria and viruses that invade the cells. And fun fact, did you know lysosomes are also known as suicide bags? This is because they may be damaged by the hydrolytic acid that they carry. And this slide is just continued from the last one. We also say that centrosomes are cylindrical shaped. The role of centrosomes is to organize the centrioles, which in turn forms the cell structure. More advanced functions include regulation of cellular motility, and organizing spindle pole during the process of mitosis. And so this is just a recap of what my presentation was over, which was we went over the cell wall, the chloroplast, the vacuole, cellular components unique to animal cells, which is the lysosomes, the centrosome, and these are my references.